Left engine clear, Captain.
Right engine clear.
Roger that, ground crew.
Left aileron up, right aileron down, right aileron up, left aileron down.
Clear left side. Follow the vehicle to the holding short line, confirm position. Okay, easy on the left turn, hold the center line. Right here, and stop. Brake set, chocks going in.
Today, men see the manufacturing of embroer, Phenom 300.
Está alinhado com a especificação? Sim, o ângulo de 90 graus está correto. Pode aplicar a pressão. Deslizando a sonda agora. Verifique a leitura.
A forma de onda está limpa, sem defeitos.
Ótimo. O relatório está sendo impresso. Passou.
Dez, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Clear on the left. Rolling into position now. Looks good. Engage the locks. That's the first pair done.
Clear the stands. Take it up 3 feet, steady. Now track forward to the join station, slowly.
Secure the left stabilizer first. Aligning the right side now. Check the angle. Confirmed at 60 degrees. Proceed with fastening.
Checking alignment on Sector 4.
Sector 4, nominal. 2 millimeters.
Confirmed. Engage dowels.
Down slowly, hold left. Steady, coming in now. Clear on the right, engage.
Ailerons and flaps check complete, looking good.
Confirmed, Captain. We are clear for engine start at 1800 Zulu.
Clear left side. Follow the vehicle to the holding short line, confirm position. Left engine clear, Captain.
Right engine clear.
Roger that, ground crew.
Push forward gently now. Okay, it's locked in place. Let's get the next one.
Okay, easy on the left turn, hold the center line. Right here, and stop. Brake set, chocks going in.
generated for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitor concepts, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VEO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other creators' content. This video is informative only and does not present AI visuals as real footage.